CI Live is an interactive training facility focusing on building science and applied building technologies.
So what's your big takeaway from coming to CI Live?
Well, I think everybody got a lot of great information. What was great about bringing customers here is they got to see that the information that we gave them is also the information that is included in all of the building science that you get from here. So we were talking last night with the people that came with us, and they were very impressed with the facility and a lot more seeing the hands-on information. So they're very grateful that they came, and I would recommend anybody to bring their customers here anytime.
I always learn. I've seen Mark several times. I've got some basic building science knowledge, just from working with the products that I sell, but how it expands to other aspects of the home that I don't touch and what our products influence on other parts of the house, that's always great information. You're not going to find 25 different products on one house, so having all those products in one place, you learn a lot more, a lot faster.
I think it was key to be here because, as you can see, there's a lot of mock-ups, and the hands-on experience was very good. It just sinks in a little bit more when you can apply it in real life and see how everything works out in the field.
You can register for one of the upcoming trainings at CI Live on our website at constructioninstruction.com or through the CI mobile app.